Don't buy you planning by B4A24S 24S until you check this out. This U planning by B4A24S 24S is proving to be hands down incredible. Everyone is talking about it lately because the design is pure genius. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it handles heavy usage without any issues, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal today without any delay. Don't buy you planning by B4A24S 24S until you check this out. This U planning by B4A24S 24S is proving to be hands down incredible. Everyone